Guys, we are looking at AMC short squeeze in the making. As you can see now, guys, like I said a few AMC videos ago, AMC will be trading over $30 at the end of this week. And I think I hit that on the head, but I have to change my price target now, guys, because we are going beyond $30 at the end of today. Believe it or not, the small pivots we seen today. How you guys like the new Weeble update, by the way? All you Weeble guys out there, I'm kind of feeling it. But if we look here on, let's change this frame. Let's go look at the 5-minute chart. These downtrends, I wasn't worried at all, guys. I wasn't worried at all. I really do have a lot of confidence in AMC during this squeeze, but this squeeze is going to move much faster than the last one, and I believe it will last longer. The last one was only a 2-day thing. I believe this one will go on for 2 to 3 weeks every day until AMC gets around that $90 mark, and then we might see some guys shave profits, but until then AMC is shooting straight forward. Now let's take a look here at the order flow. Well, the order level 2 first. From my understanding and the looks of this, guys, AMC is going to continue rolling. Just look how those bids are coming in, and the ask is getting even higher. The ask is creeping higher. If you ask me, our wall as of now is that $32. Once we break that again, then we can get past that. Now let's check out this order flow distribution. Now this is what is very interesting. Even though more money is coming out, yeah, I think $90. I truly do. Joanna, yeah, I think it can really reach $90 within 2 weeks. Hopefully less than that, but we don't want to go too fast because then people like to paper hands. Not everyone is diamond hands like us, Joanna. But yeah, guys, looking at this order flow distribution is a quite tight fight, but we are up a lot due to the fact it is called a squeeze, guys. A lot of people are not trying to call it one because we haven't seen those 200-300% gain days, but that will come. But these are considered squeezes as well, guys, because once you see the order flow like this, when the outflow large is larger than the inflows, that is telling you something. That right there is telling you this is a squeeze going on, guys. They are covering their calls. Period, point blank. And checking back at the order flow, the order level, 2, people are starting to get a little remorse. It's looking like, yeah, it's going to get higher than $90, but just like GME, once it hit that $90, we came down a little bit, and then we rose extremely high. In order for us to raise like that, we do have to see drawbacks. We need to grab those dips. So guys, what you guys think about yeah, man, that AMC call was good. That one I put out there Monday. Now, another thing I want to show you guys about these charts. Now, the reason why I know AMC is going to continue going forward today, it is showing the opposite pattern of the short ladder attacks. If you guys can turn your phone or screen upside down and look at this chart, that is a ladder attack. Now, here we go up in price, but we come down. But when we come up, we go even further, guys. Even though this is a red candle, we did see above that 36.72. Okay. Was you guys scared once we went under $29 today? All you guys that bought up at the top. ACB, Roy Cannabis, huh? I was trading Aurora back in, I want to say it was November, right when the spike happened, and got out of there. Yeah, man, it eased my mind too, man. Like once it dipped down, you know what? I went and took a shower. I'm like, you know what? AMC is cool. I'm not finna stress over it. It's gonna continue. Man, that's all we gotta do, guys, is keep holding the line. As you can see, these last 2 days, you know how much money the shorts have lost, guys? Billions. Billions. All due to the small retail investor. Pat yourselves on the back, guys. Now, let's get back down to this. MVIS, I am bullish on the stock. Quite bullish on MVIS. Your average is 10 bucks. Joanna, nice. 100K to 500K stuff, guys. Honestly, let's check it. I think it's not outlandish, but that will take time for AMC to get 100K. We have to keep buying the stock and hitting that ask price for, I want to say, probably 3 years straight. We have to keep this up because stocks go off multipliers. So once we get it up to $500, you know how it go, guys. We see a $200-300 day on stuff like that. It just keep multiplying itself. But if you ask me, if we compare this one to GMEs, we're going to talk about GME next, guys. If we compare this to GME squeeze, this one will, if you ask me, I think this one has more potential as of now due to the fact that the price on the shares. More people can afford AMC. More people can afford AMC rather than GME. Okay, and far as the mentality of the retail investor, he likes more shares. So I'm expecting AMC to get up to that $90 level pretty soon. We don't want to talk these $1,000 price targets just yet, guys. We got to crawl before we walk. Now let's check back over here. Let's check this 1 minute chart out. The 1 minute is all over the place, guys. And from the volume on the day, the volume is quite high on the day, actually. The volume on the day is over 300 million shares so far, guys. Do you think we can hit 1 billion a day on the volume? At this rate, we will pass 1 billion shares traded. Now, when these stocks tend to have a lot of volume going on throughout the day, when AMC or GME has a lot of volume, that's when the shorts are coming out swinging because there are shares to be shorted. Now, guys, the reason why AMC is running like it is because if we look back, here on the day chart, as you can see here, 4 days straight, 5 days, correct me, guys, 5 days, AMC just been pulling. Now, if we look back at the other one, mini squeeze, this has 6 days of rising. Okay. Now, I expect this one looks much better and more healthy than the first one. Now, a lot of people from GME has came over to AMC. It's a lot of riffraff going on, but the shorts are losing tons of money. And when they lose tons of money, they scramble to cover losses. Now, when it's time for them to cover as a whole, AMC standing at the price that it's at, you can springboard over $300. I'm talking 10x. Whatever the stock price is at when AMC does the full and final squeeze, it will 10x instantly. The first 10 minutes of trading will 10x the stock. Something we never seen before. It will halt the markets as a whole. It's going to be exciting, guys. I think we will see very high spikes in the month of June, considering the fact that AMC is going to be releasing these blockbuster movies at its theaters. That is going to grab more people. And another thing, the institutional holdings that is investing into AMC has gotten bigger this morning as well. They increased with a total of 947,000 shares for a total institutional holdings. So almost 1 million shares was bought today by institutional holdings, guys. So they are feeling the AMC fever as well. Not only that, GME, let's skip on over there, guys. Got to show them some love. Can't talk about AMC if we don't talk about GME. Now, GME, on the other hand, is not doing as well as AMC today. But if we look here at this daily chart, GME has been doing its thing. It has been doing its thing a longer period of time than AMC. But this is squeezing as well. But they are not as tight as AMC as of now. But GME is going to have a run, guys. The next push for GME will land this thing over $300. So you guys that's still sitting at that 350 that didn't want to average down, we coming for you. We will pick you up on the way. Now, let's check out the order flow, the order level 2 for GME. It is not moving as fast as AMC's, guys. AMC's is rapid right now. GME's is a little bit slower. But if we look down here at the order flow distribution, again, pretty fishy. With an outflow difference like this, AMC should be much lower in price. AMC should be down at least 12% when you see a large difference between the in and outflow like we see here. More than 4 times the inflow, guys. That is scary. We know this is squeezing as well. It's just not in the positive now, guys. But GME will go positive today. It will go positive today, guys. Let's skip on back over to AMC where all the activity is going on today. I noticed one thing too, guys. As Doge in particular goes down, AMC rises up. So I don't know what's going on there, as well as the other cryptocurrencies. AMC tends to rise up when those things go down. Is Jim Cramer helping fuel AMC Entertainments? Guys, what you think about Cramer? He has been, I think he just wants to be liked. He's seen how much the retail investors community came down on him a month ago. Start tarnishing his name, and now, guys, he just wants to be liked. Cramer, I can see right through it. You're not fooling me. You're not one of us. Sorry. Now, if we look here at the order level 2, once again, guys, it is looking like AMC is going to climb. I'm going to take another step forward. And if you're watching this video, guys, did you get into AMC? Who's Cramer? I know, right? If you guys got into AMC today, go ahead and tell me what was your average cost for today. And guys, I can't stress it enough. This is the reason why you should trade on Webull. Is because these pre and after market buys and sells. Even though I don't recommend to sell AMC, a lot of you guys had a good opportunity to sell it at $32.99 today during this pre-market. as well as getting in the stock at $26 yesterday, pre-aftermarket. Now, those that don't have Webull did not have that chance. It sucks, right? But I'll leave a link in the description below so you guys can sign up as well for Webull. Right now, they're giving 4 free stocks. So, but you got to make an initial deposit of $100. And once you do that, guys, they'll give you 4 free stocks. And each stock can range from $8 to $1,600. I recently just got a Tesla share for free. So that is awesome. Now, considering the fact that we seen a high today of 36.72, do I believe we will go over the 36.72? So my buy-in at 35 house money. Okay, guys, even though that we seen a high of 36.72, do I believe we will surpass that today? I truly do, guys, and I will give you a time frame where we should. I pulled 2/3 of my Doge and got an AMC instead. Hopefully it's a wise move. I'm going to be honest with you. A wise man once said, stick with your gut, and if that's what you did, it was a good one, guys. I'm telling you, that was a good move. Doge is down right now, moving money into AMC and riding that wave. And then if you want to get on over back to Doge when it gets low, that will be ideal. But in my case, I am holding AMC to the end until that final squeeze come. Now, guys, if we look here at the trend, I really don't like to use trends on when I'm using the mobile app, but I will drop one for you guys. Well, I haven't been using this new app lately, so you guys got to bear with me. You know what? Forget the trend line, man. This is what we're going to do here. As you can see, like I said, once again, guys, the opposite of the short ladder attacks that we see here. Okay. We know the short ladder attacks looks total opposite of this. If you looking at your phone, just flip your phone upside down. That will be the short ladder attack. But in this case, these are bullish flags, guys. They are covering this. When the shorts start covering, this is what the pattern looks like. These type of uptrends, we go up, but we come down. But when we come up, guys, we come up even more, and it repeats itself. And it's going to continue to repeat. This right here, what we see right here, is the short ladder attack. Okay, but here what we see is the total opposite. They are covering, guys. Now, how many shares are there going to cover? We don't know. But by us holding the line, the price only can go up. And another thing a lot of people forget to do is hit the asking price, guys. Trying to bid for AMC shares under the asking price is what the shorts want you to do, for one. For two, it drives the stock price down. And for three, you're not doing your part. Just slap that ask and keep doing what you're doing. Yes, sir. Smash that. Yeah, man. Well, we try to do what we can for the community. For us small retail investors, guys, this is a lot that people don't understand. The reason why shorts come out with these short ladder attacks. For instance, let's say you bought here at that 35.75. And within 15 minutes of trading, you're down. It slid down 20% fast. That causes some people to panic sell. But in reality, that is just manipulating the price. But the actual price is going to reveal itself once the shorts are done covering. Now we're starting to see go up after we seen that 28.17 low. Now, guys, this is why I tell a lot of people, if you are a person that trades off emotions, looking at the daily chart, not the daily, but looking at the minute chart is not for you. You need to look at the weekly chart, or just don't look at the charts at all, guys. You need to start thinking about trading with a trader's mentality. Now, with a lot of new retail investors in the game now, charts do not matter anymore. Before, charts was only 10% of trading and 90% emotions and mentality. Now, that 10% is only like 3% now, guys. 99% of the retail investors trade off emotions. Okay? Now, when we seen this landslide, trust me, a lot of new guys that hopped in this stock this morning hopped out. I don't want to say that, but it's true. But get this, AMC shareholders is a different type of investor. As you can see, once it dipped, you better bet that guys picked up that dip. And when they picked up that dip at 28.17, even though the shorts manipulated the price to come down to that price, and it's not the actual price, they are playing a very risky game doing so, because if we buy that dip, it makes the squeeze even stronger. It makes the room get a little bit tighter when it's time to cover. And the best part about it, you got those shares at a discounted price. Right now, this is not investing, guys. This is war. Flat out war. From my understanding, it was like this back in China somewhere. I know you guys heard of the stories, bulls versus bears. But now, it's a different type of fight. Hedge funds versus Wallstreetbets. And if you ask me, who do you guys think are winning? War and emotions, fear and greed. Couldn't say it any better. Couldn't have said it any better, guys. That is one thing you have to think about when you are in any type of investment, or you're investing into any assets, guys. Sure is, we are winning the war, guys. We have been winning the war for a long time. But the thing is, here, as you can see, AMC is getting a lot of attention. Kramer wants everyone to like him now. GME is still above $200. AMC is sitting at an all-time high. It's not getting any better for us, guys. It only can get better. It only can get better for us. Okay. Now, if we zoom back in again, like I said, the same pattern is following. Now, if we look here, let's skip on over to the 10-minute. We got to check this 10-minute out, guys. The 10-minute does not look good at all. When this was happening right here, when I seen these fat candles rolling, I went and took a shower, guys. I mean, it's not too late to get in AMC at all, especially if you're a day trader. You still have room to run on a day trade on this stock right now. I can see AMC closing, and I've been on a hot streak, guys. I can see AMC closing. Looking where it's at, and we hit the high of 36.72. Honestly, AMC can close around $38 to $42 on the day for you day traders out there. Now, all you diamond hands, out there do not care about that. Why? Because we're waiting for those triple figures to hit and then quadruple. How much stock would be worth buying? I start out with 30% of my buying power. 30% of the buying power, just in case if it does come down some today, you can average down some more before it rises. But I wouldn't put a all-in bet on it right now because it's super volatile. You might be able to get in around $29, $28.50 if we do come down again like that. So you want to just keep your options open for that. So yeah, just 30% of my buying power as of now if I'm not in the stock. Okay. I feel like AMC is being more functional. Yeah, but if you think about it, the GME squeeze push, we started this thing back in, guys was talking about it on the page back in June of last year. So that push really started way much before AMC. AMC's didn't really start getting talked about until late January. Okay. Let's see what the guy said. Yeah. A long weekend. Okay, yeah, that is another thing too, guys. Stock market is closed Monday. So the thing about how it will affect AMC, believe me, the AMC will, this long weekend will cause selling pressure on the stock. But that is okay because we here in AMC love to buy dips, so it wouldn't affect us as much. But far as cryptocurrency goes, it is going to be hot these next 4 days. Not to get off subject, guys, but cryptocurrency is going to be hot these next 4 days because a lot of people likes to make money on the daily. Now, me, since I'm hardcore on the stock market, the weekend is like the most boring thing for me. It's like I hate Fridays and I love Mondays now. AMC is very, very good money. As you can see here, guys, when you woke up, ask yourself, did you expect this run? Because me, personally, I did expect it. I called it Monday. If you're trading options in this stock, go ahead, give me some info on what you have going on. Okay. Now, guys, let's take a look at the order flow distribution again as of now. Now let's see how strange it's looking. Tilray is looking bullish. Yeah, Tilray is looking bullish. Okay, looking at this order flow distribution, same thing as well, but now we are in the green. The only difference maker here is for us is that large on the outflow. That is the shorts manipulating the price. That happened when we slid down here. I noticed the large outflow pick up when that happened. But again, though, guys, if AMC does go under $28 today, will you be buying more shares or will you be selling off? Because in my case, as you can see here, 61 shares at $28.36. In my case, I will be averaging down. Perfect opportunity. I think AMC has the momentum is there. We just need to know when to buy the stock. and when to just hold the line. You don't want to get caught at the top and have your money tied up, because when that happens, the second people money is free and able to get out the stock with no loss, that creates the next support level. When everybody put their stop loss at a certain price, that creates support. Now we're looking here at the last. Yeah, the cannabis market, I do think, will be strong next month, honestly, for the rest of the year. And it's only going to pick up. The thing about the cannabis market, you have to pick the winner. Now, everybody is going to be a winner in that market. Now, let's take a look here at the analysis. And matter of fact, let's take a look at the comment section on Weevil, guys. Let's just see what they're talking about here. Slingshot up in a few hours. I'm going to buy more, you fools. See you in Millionaire Club. The easiest thing holding. As you can see here, guys, it is the AMC shareholders are quite confident. Now, this is what. Now we know how we feel about the stock. We love it, right? So when we come across something like this, I got offended. I'm offended now looking at this. You're telling me AMC is a 11% sale, a 33% underperformer, and a 55% hold. Now, guys, put it like this. The price of something is only the price of it if someone is willing to pay that price, right? So if we all think AMC is $1,000 stock, who is these 9 analysts to tell us it isn't? Okay. Now, if we look at this support and resistance line, again, this is why I stress, throw away the charts. Charts are not part of this war at all. AMC has broken out that resistance line by a lot. This is something you don't see. This is something very, very unusual. Okay? Very, very unusual. So that is another thing that you need to keep your eye on. Now we're looking at AMC is at 29.45, guys. You might want to go look at your stop losses. Now, I'm not stressing it at all. It's quite exciting. Quite exciting to me, seeing the price jump down like that and to watch it go back up very, very fast. Now, people are filling the gap quickly, but the shorts are still attacking us. Let's go look at the orders level 2 to try to find out if any manipulation is going on. We need more shares up there. Let's look at a 30. Okay. It is looking like the shorts are out here. The shorts are out. Now, they either let us have our fun in the beginning. But like I said again, if you look at these patterns, guys, just take a look at it. The same thing is happening again, uptrends. After a decline in price, uptrends. But in overall, the price has declined from today's high. But that is telling us one thing. We are going to have a big swing in this stock forward. It is just about timing, okay? They are trying to shake people out now before it happens. So if we hold the line and continue to hold the line, we all will reap the benefits, guys. They are trying to shake us out, but all us guys that have been around, Ray Rilla, tell us about them AMC cards, man. Drop it down in the drop them options we was talking about in the comment section so the subscribers can see it. And then as you can see here, profit taken on Friday. It will be. It's always profit taken on Friday, guys. Believe it or not. In our favorite stock here in AMC as well as GME, people have to do it to survive. Okay. Now, we came down to 29.07 quite fast. AMC 35 calls at 0.83, guys. AMC 35 calls at 0.83. And if you guys watching this video, can you please share the link? Let's blow this thing up. And if you're not a subscriber already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell button so you won't miss any live streams as well as daily stock alerts. Okay, we are looking to go under $29. I can't wait to buy more. If it go under $29, you guys will be able to see me buy more. Or should I wait till 28? I'm at 28. You know what? I'm gonna wait. If it goes under 28, we'll snag some more at 28. Some people grabbing. What you grabbing puts on? Ray Rilla, what are you grabbing puts on? If you guys are buying any puts, let us know. Any call options, let us know. What stock are you trading? And what is your favorite sector right now? I mean, personally, AMC is what's hot right now. A lot of investors, new investors are running to AMC. A lot of people that don't know anything about the market is running to AMC, so it is going to continue to go up no matter what. Basic mathematics will let you know how much AMC will rise during the squeeze. As of now, with the stock standing at the price that we are at, AMC can easily hit $90 if we went through a final squeeze. Now, if the shorts covered all their shorted shares, we will hit above $90 as of now, but they are doing it in increments. They are trying to shake us. They want to shake the paper hands. I know they shook a lot of people at 28.17. Savvy AMC shareholders will buy that dip so we can count those chips. All these things are signs and symbols of a bull run. At this point, who needs Kramer? That's what I said. Kramer wants to be a part of the crew so bad now. He's mad that no one likes him anymore. They went on a rant about him for a month straight on the Reddit page, and he just wants to be liked. He just wants to be liked. Now, AMC hit a 52-week high today. Give your guys a pat on the back. Now, looking back at the order flow level 2, again, AMC is looking like it is going to rise again from where it's sitting. Now, we were all the way up 30% on the day, and now we're sitting at 9% on gain. Like I said before, they are trying to shake new investors. New investors that would have gotten the stock today at that 35 hold will be currently down 20%. Now, it's a mental game. Stocks doesn't rises off of charts. It rises off the buying of the shares. And it can go down by the selling of shares. So that is what you want to predict. Is people going to sell or buy? Not focus on any charts. I'm really talking to you new investors out there. If you see a stock climbing up a lot all week, it is up on the weekend. It closes high on the weekend. What do you think will happen that following Monday? People are going to want to take profits. It causes selling pressure. Things like that. You want to look out for things that cause buying pressure, such as pullbacks. Now, in a day like this, how AMC is running, the dips causes buying pressure throughout the day. The dips causes the buying pressure throughout the day here in a stock like AMC because of the media buzz that's going around it. The AMC short squeeze is worldwide known as well as GameStop. Okay. Wanda dropped their shares. How do you think Wanda feels now? The money Wanda could have made if they would have kept those shares, as well as ARK investment over there at Virgin Galactic. Now, a lot of people tend to follow these major funds. Oh, they bought this stock, they sold this stock, so it can't be a good investment. Or they bought this stock, so this should be the better investment. But when in reality, guys, we determine what is the best investment. The small guy, the retail investor. We determine the stock price. We determine if the stock going to move up or down. Not them. Not these major analysts. Because the value of something is only the value is what a man is willing to pay for it. And ask yourself this, and comment in the comment section below, guys. What are you willing to pay for a share of AMC? And that will give you insight on how big this stock can get. What are you willing to pay for AMC? Are you willing to buy a share of AMC right now for $28? I'm willing to pay $60 today. But if we could keep rising this stock price, guys, like we're doing, slapping that ass, and another thing, turning off your stock lending program on Webull. The shorts are borrowing your shares to short two guys like me and you and turn around and make a profit over it. And they give you pennies, not even a percent of a penny, a fraction of a penny for your AMC share for the day. It's not worth it. In the long run, setting off your stock lending program will go a long way for the cause. If you guys are watching the live, don't forget, share this link so we can get this rolling. You'll pay $100 for AMC. Sounds good to me. So we know if you're willing to pay $100 for AMC, guess what? AMC is undervalued then. In your eyes, you should be looking at this stock undervalued, and anything under 100 is a steal. Do I think AMC will get to 100? under 27.35, guys. Landslide. How do you turn the stock lending program off? Weeble. All right, 1 second. All right, let's do this live for you guys. How to turn off the stock lending program for Weeble. All right, Weeble just had a new update. So like I said, you got to bear with me. I will get on over to it for you. We go on over to settings. And you can go over stock lending program. I gotta go to, okay, this is how you turn off the stock lending program. Let's go to, dude, you know what? I haven't done this in so long because mine's just been off. Click this. You know what? I wish I could show you right now, but I really can't. It's crazy how things change so fast, but still holding the line, man. We're not worried about that at all. Now, you see how far AMC has came down in price? Was it scary? Not at all. What is scary is how fast AMC is going to shoot up. Which you panic sellers that sold at the 27.08 is going to be afraid of that run up. Now came all the way down to 27.08, guys. That's what I said, man. The new tabs, because lately have been using the desktop. So I haven't been trading mobile lately. So I got to get used to the new. So they say. Now, guys, the bottom on the day is 27.08. Now, do I think it will go lower than that? It is looking like we will hit lower than that. And this is why I was stressing to one of the guys that commented below, only use 30% of your buying power for your initial buy-in so you won't miss opportunities like this. Now you will be able to average down and get some more of those shares on a discount. Every percent count. Now, guys, okay, looking here, let's go check the order flow distribution. Now, this is exciting here. See it go down in price, and now let's check the order flow. Okay. Looking at the order flow, the outflow is starting to take off. Starting to widen the gap. And then another thing we got to take a look at, man, is this market by order. These are the orders that are filled. Up here is the orders as they come in. These are the orders that get filled, and right now they are filling them at the $27 or between $27.10 and $27.43, around there rapidly. The volume is starting to slow down as well. AMC go red on the day. If AMC goes red on the day. That dip is going to be bought so quick. So quick. A lot of guys that bought here at that 36.72. This is what happens when the shorts try to shake you out the stock. It is still squeezing. The shorts are shorting. Shorts tend to re-enter their position after they take a loss and do it again. We're at $26.60. Now, am I concerned with a 28.36 cost average? No, I am not, guys. Not even a little. It looks like it's going to halt pretty soon. We've seen a halt there the first few minutes of trading, guys. AMC is starting to slow down a bit. Let's switch over here to GME. GME is seeing a landslide down as well, somewhat following the same pattern as AMC. The volume is quite low here in GME today. Only 6,730,000 shares have been traded. But if we compare it to AMC's total volume, AMC is sitting at 375 million shares have been traded so far. Now, AMC should bounce back. It will bounce back on the day. If you're still holding if you sold today, drop it in the comment section below. If you're still holding, just let me know how many shares you are holding on and what is your average cost. Puts for the day on what? AMC? I hope you're not putting the AMC put out there. If you buy an AMC put, I'm telling you, Wallstreetbets gonna put you in debt. Don't do it. I'm telling you, do not do it. You see this guy in the middle of the screen? He plays no games. But in all, man, AMC should do fine. We only been trading for 2 hours so far, a little bit over 2 hours. So this is nothing, guys. I expected to see it come down today, but it will continue to run. This is nothing. A lot of guys that sold at that 26.51. Huh. Can't find my average cost on Weeble anymore. I'm about to show you right here. That's what you do. Get on over to that and slide it over. Slide it over like this, and you should get your average cost. The last price is above. Your average cost will be below. Now let's get on over to the theaters. It's crazy how things change. I was just up 400 on AMC literally this morning. Now I'm down $70, but it's okay. It is okay with me because AMC is going to rise back up. It's going to rise back up. If you are watching this live, don't forget, guys, share that link so we can get more guys in here, as well as hit that thumbs up button. And don't forget to check out some of the videos on the channel. Yeah, AMC is very volatile today. Something you day traders love to see. I don't plan on day trading AMC at all. $13.60. Well, you bought in at the right time. You got in at $13.60. Yeah, it's cool. I mean, just think of it this way. Each share supposedly is worth $1,000. Each share of AMC is worth $1,000. Just gotta wait for it. That's it. You just gotta wait for it. And if we look here, let's check out. Institutional holdings usually show me on it. See today, so oh man, it's not looking so good. It's not looking good on that cost ratio, but it's trading above its fundamentals. We know that. Yeah, and now let's check this out. Let's see this article. Read it off to you guys.
On Friday, shares of AMC Entertainment, NYSE, AMC, saw unusual options activity. After the option alert, the stock price moved up to $33.07. Sentiment: bearish option type, sweep trade type, call expiration date, the 28th of May 2021 strike price, $39 volume, 32,640 open interest, 39,373. Signs of unusual options activity. One-way options market activity can be considered unusual as when volume is exceptionally higher than its historical.
So, options is showing AMC is looking bearish. Only on the day. Now, who are you to tell me such a thing? But they think it's going to be under $33, okay? I kind of think AMC will be above $33 at the end of the day. I am sure of it. Now, if it does stay above $33 at the end of the day, aftermarket will be scary. Scary aftermarket can go either way. If we close above $34, if we close at $34 today, AMC will not trade sideways during the pre and aftermarket hours. It's going to go one way, either up or down, and it's going to go down fast or up fast. Okay. It's looking all right. It's not looking too bad. People are fighting. Bought the puts 28 at, yeah, man. Check the chart. I don't know. I really don't know, guys. What you guys think about AMC as of now? Give me your thoughts. Because my thoughts right now is AMC will close above $34 at the end of the day. That's my AOD price target, $34. End of the day price target. Let's check this again. It is a fight right now, guys. A fight. It is a fight. Any other stocks you guys want me to cover really quick before we go to GME again? Any other stocks you guys want me to cover besides AMC on this live? MVIS. Let's get it. Microvision. Listen, guys, I don't know if you guys been watching my videos or what, but you know how I feel about MVIS. But you guys know Zim, Invader Zim, huh? All right. Looking at MVIS is not having a lot of movement going on as far as volume go, but I'm loving this increase in price. It is looking sustainable, not too much of a shoot up. CTRM, I'll get on that one next. And like I said, the opposite of the short ladder attacks pattern. MVIS is looking bullish on the day. Let's run down to this order flow distribution. Whoa. Now, this is the type of order flow distribution I like to see. This is what I like to see. Zero movement on the outflow. Zero movement on the outflow. Man, guys. Safe bet on MVIS on the day. MVIS will close green today. Let me check the high. Let me check the high before I give you a price target on the end of the day. Ooh, 1848 on the day. I believe, okay, let's check the volume. It's quite low. Okay, price target for MVIS end of the day, 1820. 1820, guys. $18.20 is my price target for the end of the day of MVIS. Now let's go run over here to the flying ship. That's what I like to call CTRM, guys. The flying ship of the sea. Now, reverse stock split jumped this stock up to $3. Okay. Why did they do it? Okay. The reason why they did that, guys, is so they can be in compliance, so they can continue to trade on the NASDAQ. But the behind the scenes reason is because it attracts the small investor into buying their stock, seeing that it is in compliance, as well as it looks more appealing to buy a $3 stock than a $35 stock. Okay, this did not change their market cap, not even $1. But the result of this can be good and bad. Now the retail investor can move the stock even easier with the 1-to-10 ratio split, because now the buying of shares it's less shares out there. All right, less shares, easy to move the price. So a sell-off can trigger a mass snowball effect into selling off the stock, but a run can be easily manipulated. People can push this stock now. Now, my concern with this stock is I have no concern with the stock. Why? Because the company is rapidly expanding, but the stock price is slowly decreasing. Okay? It is slowly decreasing, even though we're down 10% on the day. The company is expanding faster than the stock price is decreasing, guys. This stock is at a sale price. It is on sale when it's a deal. Like, you don't read about any other dry bulk company expanding as fast and as efficient as CTRM. Not even the big guys. Not even the big guys doing it like CTRM. But why is the stock slowly decreasing? Because it is heavily shorted. Heavily shorted. Heavily manipulated on the day. The shorts tend to go after stocks that have a lot of movement. CTRM was seeing a lot of movement during January. Now, if it's no movement in the stock, the shorts tend to go away because there are no one to buy those high priced shares they're trying to sell us. Now, if we take a look here at CTRM's order flow, people are buying the stock. Now, let's check the market by order first. People is buying the stock, and they're buying it big in large quantities, but that inflow is just getting hammered on the medium side. And the medium side is not looking good at all for CTRM. All right. Now, my price target for the end of the day of CTRM. Now, this is going to hurt. If CTRM does go under $3 today, which will cause major buying pressure for the stock Tuesday, knowing that Monday is closed for the market, it will cause major buying pressure for CTRM Tuesday. Write this down. Don't forget it, guys. CTRM will have major buying pressure Tuesday, knowing the fact that it had a dip on the stock reverse, as well as the reverse split is now over. So the uncertainty is gone. Now people can just buy the stock, and it's in compliance. What's the problem? We have a company that's in NASDAQ compliance now, as well as it's expanding. Every week we hear about they are buying a new vessel. Okay, what is the problem? So if you ask me, it's only the upside for CTRM, but Tuesday will tell the tale here in CTRM. Now let's get back on over to AMC, guys. I'm getting excited just to see what it says, and I am appalled. AMC is now red on the day, which I did not expect this at all, but you guys better get that dip so you can count your chips. All right, we won't see this here too long. I'm not expecting to see this here too long at all. Now, if we jump down to order level 2, it's looking like it is going to go down a little bit further. What are you guys' thoughts on what's going on with the stock as of now, guys? To see it pull back into the red, what are your thoughts on it? Don't forget, guys, give this video a thumbs up if you're still watching. Dang, I hope Biden ain't the reason why this is happening. Dude, a guy that doesn't own a stock in anything. I was about to say, not a guy that doesn't own a share in anything. Better not be the reason why my stock is going down. But it's all good, man. We're not worried about that because we buy dips. Let's see, this thing sold a few at 31.11, just bought back in at 27. Moving around the board, huh? Well, speaking of capital gains tax, Biden loves it when guys do that. That's another thing, guys, as far as capital gains tax. When you jump out of stock, take profits, and jump back in, you have to pay. You have to pay. Basically, man, capital gains is tough when you do that. Okay, looking here at the chart. Let's go back to we're looking here at the daily. Let's go to the 1 minute interval. Okay, guys, well, we want to see this thing pick up on this particular candle. We want to see this thing go above 26.45. I'm just watching this. See if we can get above that 26.45. And it doesn't look like it's going to break that. So I'm calling support at 25.48. $25.48. Yeah, guys, I'm calling support at 25.48. We will see what happens if we do touch that support level. But if we do touch it and we bounce back, it is looking good for the day. But if we touch it and we break downwards, it's time to buy more shares at the bottom, though. We don't want to buy it while it's falling. That's what the shorts want us to do, because they will make that thing fall even further. We want to catch it at the bottom. Another thing is we need to watch out for here is a lot of people was talking about it was going to be a bull trap today, but this is not a bull trap. And all that pump and dump talk we heard about it, you can't pump and dump a stock like this. You can't dump a stock that is with high demand. Can't dump a stock with the demand of AMC. But I'm gonna let you guys go. Wall Street Bets out.